case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1981, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Ball v. James, which centered on the principle of equal voting rights in electing officials. The court had to determine the constitutionality of a voting system used in Arizona's Salt River Project Agricultural Improvement and Power District, which limited voting eligibility to landowners and apportioned voting power based on the amount of land owned. The district, formed in 1937, stored and delivered untreated water to landowners in central Arizona, and eventually became a major electric power supplier. The case was brought before the Supreme Court, following a lower court ruling that claimed the voting system violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The plaintiffs argued that the principle of one person, one vote should apply in this scenario, which would render the current system unconstitutional. The Supreme Court ultimately ruled that the Salt River District's voting system was constitutional, as it was reasonably related to the district's objectives. Furthermore, the court allowed Arizona to limit voting exclusively to landowners, as they were instrumental in the district's creation. The court also found that the weighting of votes based on land owned was justifiable, reflecting the relative risks incurred by landowners and the distribution of benefits and burdens resulting from the district's water operations. As a result, the Court of Appeals decision was overturned, and the case was remanded for further proceedings consistent with the Supreme Court's opinion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.